Hi, this is Madeline from Sonic Bloom with a new episode of the Ableton Live Quick Tips. And today I have a little feature for you that was added just in Live 10.1 and that you might have overlooked. And that allows you to simply move the waveform within an audio clip in the arrangement view. So you don't have to go into the clip view anymore. And the way you can do that is with shortcuts. And the command on Mac is Alt-Shift, and that can simply use the mouse or trackpad to move the waveform within the clip. And if I want to disable the grid, I can also press Command at the same time, and then I can move it wherever I want. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.